In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce in Studio One. Now, it's actually super simple. All you have to do is click on your audio to select it like this, and then you have two options. You could go to the top left over here and click on Event, and then from here you can find either Bounce Selection, or you could go and bounce to a new track or whatever you want to do. So if you click on Bounce Selection, you could also press Ctrl and B on your keyboard, and that's going to bounce your current selection. If you go and click on Bounce to a new track, it's going to bounce it to a new track just like this. And of course, there's also one more option, which is bounce to a new track and then keep speaker format, okay? You could also go and mix down if you want to, but what this will do, so apparently on your screen when you press this, nothing actually happens. Well, you think that, but it actually does happen. So what happens is it's going to go into your bounces folder inside where you've saved your project. So in my case, I actually have a saved project on my computer. So it's this very project we are seeing over here, as you can see, and it says bounces. If I double click on this, in here I have a few bounces, as you can see. So there's these. If I actually go and bounce again, so I'm actually going to click on over here and I'm going to press Control B. And if I go in here, as you can see, a new one popped up, okay? So again, whenever I press Control B, a new one's going to pop up and it's going to bounce your audio, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.